Hello friends, आपको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will detect circles in the images. Let's get started. Let me show you some preview images. This is first image and this is second image where we detect the circles, and this is your third image where we detect the circles. Now let me explain you what is happening in each code in this code. So this is an image. We read the image. These are the package libraries. Okay, after reading it, we convert that image into grayscale. This is a function which is used to detect the circles in the image. Here we have to pass the image into grayscale, I can say, and this is your detection method using gradient information. Use gradient information. This first attribute is, you can say, dp is equal to 1 point. What it's mean? It's the inverse ratio of accumulator resolution, and 1.1 accumulate slightly smaller than image. Okay, mid distance means minimum distance between detected circle centers present detecting multiple circles close together. Preventer means it's preventer detecting multiple circles close together. Parameter 120. What does it mean? Upper threshold for canny edge detection, higher value, stronger edge only. Stronger edge detection, we use parameter 1, and it's increase the value, it will canny edge detection will be means stronger edge detection will be there. Parameter 2, what this means? Threshold for center detection. Threshold for center detection. Lower value, more circle detector. High value, fewer or more confident circle detected. Okay, this is what mean. Minimum radius. Smaller circle radius allowed, minimum, and maximum radius. Minimum radius which is required, and maximum radius which is required. This all the parameters which is used for detecting circle in the images. Now let me and after getting the circles, means everything will be stored in the circle variable. We have to iterate. If circle is not none, if no, means if no detection of circle is present, is on the images, so nothing will happen. If circle is detected, this will happen. It will read values and convert them into unsigned integers. Okay, so it will round the circles values and convert them into unsigned integers. After that, we will iterate over the circles, loop through all detected circle. We loop over all through detected circles. We get, see here what we values. The values which we get is x, y, r, means x, y the using coordinates value of the center, r with the radius. Okay, so after getting this coordinates value, we will just plot it. We will use symmetry circle, then frame. This is a coordinates value, this is a radius, this is a color, and this is a thickness. And same way, if we draw the center, we use frame, then the coordinate value, then radius, because circle, and this is radius for the circle, and this is color, and -1 we want to fill that color. Okay, so this way we plot the image. After that, we convert it into RGB, because all things we read the image into VGA format. So we have to convert that. Then the figure size will be 10 by 10. Then I'm sure this is the title and this is a plot. So this is all what is happening here. Now let me run it. So you can see that it's perfectly detected the circle with the centers. Cap as a circle, in the circle you can say, but these are the parameter. Main thing is happening here. Main thing is happening in this function. This parameter is performing very important thing only. Okay, so if suppose I will apply same thing, if I will apply same parameters on second image, let me show you. If suppose I apply same parameters on second image, you can see multiple detection of the things is happening here. How to avoid this? How we can do that? How we can? So here we have to change the parameters values. So this is for the second image. Let me change it to 1. Okay, so here I have done everything to run for the second image. Here I have just changed the minimum distance. See here, minimum distance is 30 pixel between the center, and I have just changed the minimum distance to 80, and I have just run it. Everything is remained the same, and you can see drastic change there, and I have get a perfect circle of the perfect circle on the image. Okay, other value will remain the same. Okay, now this is for the third image. If I apply here for the third image, oh, I did not have a third image. I directly have a fourth image. So wait for it. Same parameter if I apply on okay, it's working, but something is problem here, but it's working very well for the on of, you can say, oh sorry, this is this, see, this parameter where minimum distance is 80. So here if I will run this fourth image, you can see these parameters are not working on this image. These parameters are not working on this image. Even I will uh, run here fourth image with these parameter, this will not work. Okay, see, if I run it, this is on you can say first image parameters, this will not work, or you can say very multiple circle detected. So to how, so for per image we have to update the parameters according to that only. Here one thing I have increased is that I have see, I have what is I doing here, I have removed the names, remove the noise in the grayscale image. How we have done this, I have just used cb2.median blur. Median blur means removing salt and paper noise in the from the image. This is 5, kernel size is this, and this will remove the images, it removes the remove the noise in the in this image, and here I have a very much hit and run trial. I have updated, I have adjusted this parameter, minimum distance, parameter 1, parameter 2, minimum radius and maximum radius. After that, then I have run this, I get a perfect picture with it, perfect detection of the circles. If suppose I have changed even a one parameter like this, if I will do it 120, see 120, I have done it, the things have changed, something has changed here. Okay, now if suppose I do it for, let me do it for 125 here, parameter 1. Okay, so if I change this parameter, something is will get changed. Let me do it 125. Nothing, I think so, nothing will be changed. Okay, nothing has changed. But if suppose I change this one, if suppose I make it minimum radius will be 20, something will change. You can see small detection, so this is changed. Okay, this is changed. And if suppose I increase the maximum radius to uh, 90, or you can say 100, I think something will be get change. Okay, so this is not adjustable, so previous radius will be 30, it's now adjust, yes, it's working now. And if suppose what I will change, if suppose I will change this one is if I around make it 30, let's see how it changes. Nothing has changed. So very much hit and run trial you have to make it on this parameters to get perfect circles. See, this parameters values work only for the second image. Okay, let me run it for the second image. Okay, okay, something has changed. Now what's the problem? Oh, it should be not 30, it should be 80. What I have done? Okay, it's here, it will be 1, here it will be 2, and here it will be 4. Now let me run it all. Okay, so everything will be get. So each image has its own parameters value, very hit and run trial. It might be possible that this parameters value will work with very well with this parameters, or this parameter value will work very well with this parameter. So if you have to do hit and trial method, so you have to change this parameters values, and you will get the perfect circles on the detection of perfect circle correctly. So this way we detect circle in the images. I hope I have explained you each and everything line by line and clearly. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all.